Hello, dear investors and traders. The project is in touch with you, GURU.Markets. Let's start with summary information about the company. Let's look at each indicator in more detail a little further. If you're interested, you can pause it. You can study all the parameters of the corporation in detail. Now let's analyze the company's key indicators. Insmed Incorporated, ticker INSM. The review is based on data as of May 28, 2025. According to classification GURU.Markets organization, Insmed Inc. belongs to the subcategory Specialized Pharma. 29 companies are participating in the assessment, which is quite representative. We will see the decisions on orders at the end of this video. The overall result for the company in question is as follows: minus 9 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is minus 3.8 points. If you look very broadly, within the framework of the entire US market in general, you can see that the average rating for the entire market as a whole is 1.9 points. Against a minus rating, 9 points for the company Insmed Incorporated. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price, Insmed Inc. and subcategory companies, we can see that over the last 12 months, the stock Insmed Incorporated showed a dynamics of 181.5%. 32.6% are against price changes in the subcategory. Market capitalization of the company Insmed Inc. amounts to $12.39 billion. And the market capitalization of the subcategory is $204 billion. The company's book value is $0.09 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $32 billion. Having compared the shares of market and balance capitalization, we see the following. Occupied share Insmed Inc. in the subcategory when assessing stock market capitalization is 6.065%. The book value is 0.281%. Assessment of the organization's share of the market and book value of the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company's financial liabilities amount to $1.201 billion. Financial liabilities to book capitalization amount to 1,334.4% of the company's capital. The result for the company's debt level, very bad, minus 2 points. The company's market value to profit ratio is 0, with an average for the subcategory of 0. Evaluation of the market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus 1,013. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are unknown. Assessment of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company's price to revenue ratio is 32.5. Average for the subcategory is 9.8. Evaluation of the market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $380 million. Projected revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Assessment of the indicator of projected future revenue in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The marginality is minus 265.9%, with an average in the subcategory of minus 10.4%. Evaluation of sales profitability in comparison with indicators in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The company's share in the number of employees in the subcategory is 7.325%. This is 21% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is equal to $9,747,000. While in the subcategory there are $11,774,000. Evaluation of the amount of company capital per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The volume of profit per employee is minus $797.2 thousand, with an average for the subcategory, minus $125.3 thousand. Evaluation of profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The company's sales volume per employee is $300,000. In the subcategory, there are $1,204,000. Evaluation of revenue per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The number of shares shorted is 8.9%, compared to the average for the subcategory of 3%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 48% for the company Insmed Inc. Whereas in the subcategory the RSI level, 14, is approximately 50%. The company's actual share price is approximately $68.03. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is around $97.01. Let's look at the order table, which is available to everyone. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions previously made in a given season by the information and reference system GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the valuation of securities Insmed Incorporated. Information and reference system GURU.Markets, the following decision is made. Open sell order at $68.02 per share. The order is open because the company has a rather low rating. The organization's assessment was carried out based on the assessment model, the Akeem's index. Take profit is set at 48.48. Stop loss is set at 87.56. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is closed automatically based on the results of exchange trading on June 27, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker, UTHR, is the main buy order. The video on the main order has already been published on this channel. When closing any of the orders, the main or balancing one, the opposite order is closed at the last price. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from GURU.Markets.